So what are Facebook page configurations? Basically, there are a number of configurations on your Facebook page to start with. The first ones that are the most visually important to your Facebook page is basically there's a cover image at the top of your Facebook page, and there's a logo that you can put up. The logo actually will follow around as the little icon next to when you create different posts, or again, if you like or comment on someone else's page or group, that logo will show up too. So those are two very important parts of the appearance of your Facebook page. The next section you want to configure on your Facebook page is what's called page info, but it's actually under the About button when you're in your Facebook page. This is where you can put some general information about your page, in this case probably your business. You can then add some contact information for your business, so this could be things like phone number, email address, their social media accounts. If you have a retail location, you can put the locations there with a little geographical pin. Again, if you're a business location and you have hours, you can put those there. And there are a few other settings you can add there to your About page. The next information is the actual page settings. There are a number of settings here. Most of the defaults are okay just to leave, but if you do want to control different things, you can do that in the page settings. There are a few settings you may want to do. By default, visitors can post on your page, which you may or may not want to have occurred. Additionally, the ability for others to tag information on your page. Again, you may or may not want to give other people this thing. And whether or not any page updates, whether you change settings like your logo or description, are actually published on your page. So just some things to look at depending on your personal preferences. There are a number of other configuration options. One is just what Facebook calls tabs. These are basically just the different areas that show on your Facebook page. There's also the ability to set a custom username for your page. And near the cover image, there's also the ability to have a call to action button. If you want them to do something specific on your page, you can actually create a custom call to action button. Some final things on configuring your Facebook page. Obviously, the reason you create a Facebook page is to create posts, and it's not really configuring your page, but there is a special one that as a page you can do, which is called a pin post. And this is just a post that is allowed to then stay at the top as you top of your page as you then post other things like other posts that go down there. Final thing you can actually do it when you're in your Facebook page is actually view it as a visitor. As you're editing your page, you do get other prompts and other things that the visitors don't see. So there is a way to click a button and then check your settings and your views that you've been editing to see how it looks like as a visitor. So some conclusions about configuring your Facebook page. Again, primarily start with making the appearance, how you want it to look with a logo and a cover image, then providing all the background information on your business and the page info, then configuring any page settings about how people actually are allowed to interact with your page, and then some other miscellaneous configuration settings.